Yeah, bro. Okay. So about the video that I showed you, how to play some feelings, okay, on your press song when you're improvising. Okay, I'll show you in the key of G. It's the key of G. Okay, so the song was okay. So it's very simple. At first, just for you to know your scales very well, understand your scales very well. You have your do, re, re, mi, fa, si, sol, do. Okay. Do, re, mi, okay, do, di, re, mo, fi, sol. Okay, you need to know all those diminished notes there. Okay, you need to know those diminished notes there. Okay. You need to know all those diminished notes there at first. Okay, so secondly, another thing you should know is that when I was playing. Okay, so another thing is that when you're playing like a song I was playing, okay, okay, just when you know there are some notes that forms the do chord, okay. So when you're playing on the do progressions, okay, when you're playing on the do like do mi so do so mi do. Okay, you should be able to make sure you touch all the notes that are in the key of that do when you're trying to play your feeling, something like that. Okay. At first, when you play out the notes, so do re mi, do so mi do so fa mi do. Understand? Okay. When you play. Now, do fa mi, okay, do fa mi, do fa mi, do so, re mi fa. Now go into your va chord now. Now I'm playing from my mo, okay, on the second string. So this is my re, this is mo, and some people call it re, okay. So if I play like this, so you need to be fast. You need to be fast, okay. You need to be fast, okay. Okay, as if you want to strum the chord. When you strum the chord, you never should broken anymore. Now coming to this do now, and I play my do. Okay, this is the do, ti, do, las. Okay, so I play my do, added the kind of dominant note there, which is the do. Now I'm going to my saw, okay. The saw that I pick the la notes, okay. Re, mi. I first strum the saw chord, and I play the la, so, mi. where I kind of harmon on it. Okay. Okay, I kind of harmony. Okay, I harmon on it. Okay, so that is what I just played on that part. Okay,